Hi, my name is Triva. Today I'm going to be talking about the cons of cloning. Cloning is used by scientists to describe many different processes that involve making duplicates of biological material. The experiment led by Dolly the sheep in 1997 was different. It used the cloning technique called somatic cell nuclear transfer and resulted in an animal that was a genetic twin. It was delayed in time as an adult sheep. The two debates for somatic cell cloning is for reproductive processes and for producing a source of ES cells for research. Cloning involves removing the nucleus of an egg and replacing it with the diploid nucleus. In nuclear transplantation, cloning, there is only one single genetic parent. As a result, the technique has not been perfected. 5 mammal species were created in this process: a sheep, a cattle, a pig, a goat, and a mice. They have been used extensively in reproductive cloning studies, and very few cloning attempts was successful. The majority of cloned animals die before birth. Concerns with cellular aging will affect the ability of somatic cells nuclei to program normal development. As somatic cells divide, they progressively age, so there is no way of knowing how this will affect the organism. In Tokyo, scientists have shown that cloned mice die significantly earlier than the ones that were naturally born. Now Juan is going to be talking about the pros of cloning.
Organ replacement, they can serve a backup system for human beings. Another thing, substitute for natural reproduction. Cloning in human beings can prove to be a solution to infertility. Helping genetic research. They might be able to understand the composition of genes and the effects of genetic constituents on human traits. Obtain specific traits in organisms. Cloning can make it possible for us to obtain customized organisms and harness them for the benefits of society.
The cons of cloning is it can be detrimental to genetic diversity, hampering the diversity in genes. It's an invitation to malpractice, makes deliberate reproduction of undesirable traits, and will put human and animal rights at stake. Cloning is equal to emulating God. So by cloning another individual, you're making it seem as though they are a higher entity when they're not. Okay, for the conclusion, finally, I believe cloning is interfering with the natural order of life and robbing an individual of their unique identity.
I believe that is one option very important for the humanity, because you can save life and you can get better the life for people.